Welcome to my channel Mathsma, and I am Asma explaining this lecture to you. And today I am going to solve for you question 1 from the section A of the exercise 4F of the chapter 4 called Fractions of the widely used class 4 Edexcel Mathematics textbook called Staynor's Modern School Arithmetic Book 4. In this lecture, we are about to find out which fraction is greater among 5/6 and 7/9. I am going to share the link of the PDF file of the detailed description of this lecture in the description box below and also in the pinned comment below. If you are not understanding any step in this lecture, then click the link and look in this description for the detailed explanation of the step that you are confused with. Or you can also ask me your confusion in the comments below or email me at anatomy.sarah@gmail.com. I am sharing the video lectures of the solves of the math questions of the different Cambridge and Edexcel School Mathematics textbooks from class 1 to A levels of updated syllabus. And so do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the little bell icon to get regular updates on the lectures of these solves. If you find your friends struggling to solve math questions of fractions, then do not forget to share this video with them. Click the video at the end of this video to watch the video lecture of the solve of exponential math questions from the Cambridge Class 7 Mathematics textbook called Mathsma 7. Thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in another lecture with the solve of some other question from Staynor's Modern School Arithmetic Book 4. Bye bye.